Today, our government is introducing 3 pieces of legislation that will set up guardrails to protect the health and safety of Alberta youth.
Alberta's legislation bans the prescription of puberty blockers and other gender-affirming health care for children under 16, while requiring parental consent for students to change their names or pronouns in school. It also restricts curriculum on sexual education, orientation, and gender diversity, and requires sports organizations prevent trans athletes from competing in leagues unless they're designated co-ed.
We've seen all of these policies in states before, but as far as I'm aware, no single government has sought to pursue them all at once.
EGAL Canada says it plans to challenge all of Alberta's new legislation in court.
On the basis of multiple rights violations and egregious harm, we'll be able to build out a legal challenge.
The UCP government says it consulted widely before drafting the new laws, asking supporters from the transgender community to speak publicly Thursday on the legislation's behalf. Kelly Lynn Peary says transitioning to male as an adult was something she came to regret.
I simply cannot understand how, if I, as a 37-year-old woman, with a post-secondary education, wasn't ready to make such a life-altering decision, how can we possibly support, encourage, or allow our children to do so?
But research has shown that only a small percentage of people who transition say they regret their decision later in life. Instead, parents like Haley Ray believe the new laws give kids less choice.
It is removing an option, access to affirming healthcare, access to knowledge and options, and allowing people to decide what it is best for them to move forward.
It's why, she says, a growing number of families with transgender children are now grappling with whether Alberta is a place they can stay. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.